Hey guys, welcome back to the High Homes YouTube channel. Today we have an area guide for you that's super special. Welcome to one of the hidden gems of Costa del Sol. Welcome to the village of Benahavís, tucked away in the mountains above Marbella. This traditional Spanish, beautiful little whitewashed village mixes nature, luxury, and beautiful calmness in a way that you've never seen before. Let's go. So first of all, let's get our bearings. Benahavís is part of what we call the Golden Triangle. We've got Benahavís, Marbella, Estepona. Marbella brings that international feel, the glamour. Estepona brings the Spanish sort of Mediterranean authenticity. And what Benahavís brings is a super unique mountain retreat feeling that has everything in the village. And we're gonna be talking about everything you guys need to know. So, perfect spot to talk about Benahavís and the layout, the distribution of the different areas. Benahavís is a massive municipality. It's one of the largest in Malaga with over 145 square kilometers. 50% of that is green zoned, and that really showcases what a beautiful natural mountain environment it is. So starting with the layout of Benahavís, let's talk about the different areas. We have Benahavís village. That's the urban center. It's very small, not very big, whitewashed village, typically Spanish and typically Andalusian. Outside Benahavís, we'll start on the east side. We have the beautiful areas of La Zagaleta, which is the most exclusive residential compound in Europe, with average property prices around the 15 to 20 million euros. Truly impressive. Next to La Zagaleta, we got El Madroñal. And just down from Madroñal, we have La Quinta. From La Quinta, we go on to Los Arqueros, which is a beautiful golf resort. And from Los Arqueros, we end up here, where we are right now in Los Capanes, a super unique golf location between Los Arqueros and the area of Estepona. And more towards the west, to finish off the different areas of Benahavís, we'll have the areas of Los Flamingos, Atalaya, and last but not least, the beautiful resort of Montemayor. That's how Benahavís is laid out. So Benahavís has a small town feel with a population of 7,000 to 9,000 people. The mix of nationalities makes Benahavís a unique destination. The village feels like classic Andalusia, super walkable and full of character. These streets have life all year round, and that's actually something that makes Benahavís special and unique. It's a mix of expats, locals, and Spanish. Everyone in the search of that real Benahavís vibe. Benahavís has its own municipality and the accessibility is fantastic. We are 10 minutes away from Puerto Banús, 15-20 minutes away from Marbella, and around 15 minutes from Estepona. We don't have a beach in Benahavís. The closest beach would be the beach of Estepona, down the road where the Alhambra is, and that will be around 10-minute drive from here. Benahavís isn't just pretty, well, it's stunning, but it's actually known as the gastronomical capital of the entire Costa del Sol. In the village alone, there are 40 top restaurants. Let me tell you which are our favorites. You have Benahavís, Los Abanicos, Las Escaleras de Baltazar, and Bodeguita El Chico. These are top restaurants that mix those tapas and perfect Mediterranean fusion. Must tries in Benahavís. So Benahavís is famous for the beautiful river that passes by the village, which is actually a great sport activity for families on the weekends. You can jump into the river, walk down the river, and it's great. But let's talk about Benahavís sports. First of all, for the big golf lovers, Benahavís has some of the best golf courses on the entire Costa del Sol. For example, the golf course of Los Flamingos, 3 championship golf courses, the golf course of Capanes, Los Arqueros, and the world-renowned La Zagaleta and La Quinta. So apart from that, incredible sport facilities in the village for football, horse riding, absolutely everything to do with outdoor activities that relate to sport. Benahavís offers that. And it goes without saying, some of the most incredible mountain hikes and some of the most amazing river walks are in this village. We are in Los Flamingos. Behind me is the world famous 5-star Villa Padierna hotel, very famous for receiving the Obama family and their grand opening of their beach resort around the year 2013-2014. So while we're here in Villa Padierna, Los Flamingos, one of the key locations of Benahavís, let's talk about who Benahavís is for. Benahavís is not just for one person. Benahavís is perfect for families, perfect for digital nomads. It's perfect for people which are looking to retire. It's actually really focused on calm, tranquility, that mountain nature feel with that Spanish sort of touch and whitewashed village, but within a huge municipality that offers so much and is so well connected to Marbella and Estepona. So Benahavís is actually for everyone. So there you have it, Benahavís, where luxury meets nature and where life slows down just enough so you can enjoy it. So thanks for watching, guys, and like always, if you have enjoyed this video, press the button, like this video. We'd love to hear your comments and questions about Benahavís. If you know of anyone that would like or would be interested in seeing this video, share that with them. Benahavís might be their destination. And like always, we would love to hear your comments and questions about this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the High Homes channel so you can stay posted with videos like this one with regards to the Costa del Sol real estate market, and press that button so you can stay posted and notified when videos like these hit the channel. Guys, until next time, hasta luego.